Welcome to Frugal Insights. Creating a long-term investment plan can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step towards achieving your financial goals. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a plan that works for you. The first step in creating a long-term investment plan is to define your financial goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or your children's education? Knowing your goals will help you determine your investment strategy. Next, assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with market fluctuations? Are you willing to take on more risk for potentially higher returns? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Understanding your risk tolerance will help you choose the right investments. Now it's time to choose your investments. Consider a mix of low-risk and higher-risk investments, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, index funds, ETFs. Diversify your portfolio will help you manage risk and increase potential returns. Let's talk about time horizon and how it impacts your investments. Your time horizon is also crucial. When do you need the money? If you're saving for a long-term goal, you can afford to take on more risk. If you're saving for a shorter-term goal, you may want to opt for more conservative investments. Finally, monitor your investments regularly and adjust your plan as needed. Rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Creating a long-term investment plan takes time and effort, but it's worth it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips and advice.